Exceptional, clean and comfortable. Great spot, really quiet street, super convenient location and friendly staff. Gem near Hospital Central, clean, cozy and friendly staff. Great spot. Convenient, affordable and seamless. Exceptional. Good location, not far from the city and tourist attraction place, friendly staffs, but there's some noise because the wall doesn't protect the sound well. Excellent stay. Our stay was fantastic, great staff and facilities, and location can't be beat. Great boutique hotel, always clean, convenient and value for money. Great place, really enjoyed myself, so peaceful. Victory hand emoji. A very beautiful place to stay. The accommodation in this beautiful 1920s Victorian hotel is very beautiful place to stay, really nice rooms, stylish interior, and incredibly well priced. Situated in the heart of the city, restaurant, bars and cafes right out front of the property. Recommend everyone to stay here. Warmest regards. Prima Smith. The one and only smile. Value for money. It was the first time I had stayed at this hotel and in this area of the city. The room we booked was quite small but suited our needs, as we only stayed one night while attending a concert at the Horton Pavilion. The room was clean, staff very friendly and helpful. Great location. Parking station 5 minutes walk away, got discount rate. King's Cross Station and Main Street also only 5 minutes walk. The only negative for me was that both windows in our room were blocked, so no view outside. This made me feel a bit claustrophobic. That aside, for the location and value for money, I'd definitely consider staying again. I just ask for a room with windows I can see out of.